Hello from Agia Thekla, a beautiful beach in Cyprus, fairly close to Ayia Napa, that it has also a church that has the same name as the beach, or vice versa. So this beach is located 5 kilometers away from Ayia Napa, actually 5 kilometers from my hotel where I'm staying, Sunprime Ayia Napa Suites. And I have visited this beach on my birthday in August, 31st of August. And as I'm visiting Cyprus once again over the Christmas and New Year's holidays, I wanted to visit it once again because it was so magical back then, I remember. So very nice and beautiful sandy beach that's almost empty today. There are a total of 4 people on this huge beach. And yes, it is a bit warmer than yesterday. It is cold 20 degrees Celsius in the air, and it is the same in the water based on what I saw on the internet. So it's gonna be a great swim. It's 12 o'clock right now, and I'm gonna enjoy in this beach a bit longer this time. So follow me to take a swim here. Let's go. You can see also from here the church, as I mentioned, Agia Thekla, and also the Ayia Napa Marina, that big building over there. The sea looks amazing despite being 23rd of December today. Yes, we are only one day away from Christmas Eve. And there is also a tiny island very close to the beach that I visited last time as well. So we're gonna swim over to that side as I am showing you the beauty of this beach. Amazing. So even back then, I remember there weren't too many people, but in August I visited this as the first beach of the day around 9 a.m. But I suppose it was crowded during the day, the same day. So it is sandy bottom over here with few rocks here and there, but it's manageable and good. And it's a bit too shallow also. So let's see if we're gonna start to swim towards that small island over there that has also a sandy beach. And yes, this is day 3 of my Cyprus Christmas and New Year's vacation. And I'm staying here for 2 weeks. And the forecast looks very promising. Lots of sunshine and 20 degrees Celsius maximum. The same it will be in the sea, so that makes me so happy. I do remember in August and September the sea temperature was 30 degrees Celsius. So it was basically so nice in the water. But 20, it's quite good as well, as I am very much used to the 0 temperatures in the frozen lakes in Sweden. Alright, you know what? Let's take a swim first before we go out at the other side of the island. And you can see also the beach from here. I walked around 100 meters now almost. So then let's take a swim here in Agia Thekla in Cyprus. Let's go! Oh, amazing. The water is so nice and refreshing. So beautiful. It is actually now the same temperature both in the air and in the water. And it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Woohoo! I can't believe I'm doing this on 23rd of December. So what a nice way to spend the Christmas and New Year's holidays. And now I'm actually very close to the small island across Agia Thekla beach. So let's see how it is from there. And then I'm gonna obviously swim back, of course. Yes, this is the island. Quite nice. And it has a beautiful view over Agia Thekla beach. There is also one hotel that's unfinished and small suites on both sides of the beach. It looks brilliant. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing, isn't it? Alright, greetings from Agia Thekla very close to Ayia Napa in Cyprus. So thanks a lot for watching, and make sure to tune in for more Cyprus beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!